Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech Basics. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to add credit card to FedEx account. So let's go ahead and dive into the video right away. Open up a web browser of your preference and in the URL box type in fedex.com and search. Once you end up in the official website for FedEx, make sure to log into your account by entering your credentials. Once you're signed into your FedEx account, you can easily add a credit card on FedEx account while creating an account for FedEx, or another way to do so is by creating a shipment. Go to the top left corner and click on the shipping option and click on create a shipment. Soon after you do that, you'll end up in the FedEx Ship Manager page where you can enter your address information, shipment details, and then your payment method. Make sure you fill out the information that is asked on the page. Start off by your name, company name, country or your location, address information, enter your zip code, the name of your city, phone number, and email address. Once you've done that, make sure you fill both of the from address information and to address information. Select the recipient's name, country, and other information for the recipient as well, and then finally click on the continue button. Now you'll end up in the shipment details page. Select your options. For shipment, choose the package size, enter the package weight, calculate rates, select the delivery date and time, and after you are done, click continue once again. Now fill in some of the custom informations, choose the purpose of your shipment, select the documents you will be sending, and click on continue to end up in the payment tab. Now you get to the payment option where you can add your credit card. From the drop down right next to bill to, click on the credit card option. Select your credit card type, credit card number, security code, the expiration date for your card, enter your first name, last name, your company name as well as your email address. While typing in the email, you'll need to verify your email by typing it again in the last field, and finally click continue to add your credit card. If the information provided for your credit card is correct, you will be able to add your credit card to FedEx. So that is how it's easily done. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next episode. Thanks for watching.